Welcome to Infinigma, where curiosity never ends. What if the line between sanity and insanity depends entirely on who is observing you? In 1973, psychologist David Rosenhan conducted one of the most controversial studies in modern psychology, later known as the Rosenhan experiment. His question was simple: can psychiatrists reliably distinguish between people who are mentally ill and people who are not? To test this, 8 completely healthy individuals, including Rosenhan himself, attempted to gain admission into psychiatric hospitals. Their only fabricated symptom? They claimed to hear a voice saying simple words like empty, hollow, or thud. That was enough. All 8 were admitted. Diagnosed with serious psychiatric disorders such as schizophrenia or manic depression. Once inside, they stopped pretending. They behaved normally. They conversed clearly. They followed rules. They reported no more voices. Yet staff interpreted ordinary behavior as pathology. Taking notes, compulsive writing behavior, waiting quietly before meals, exhibiting withdrawal. None of the hospital staff identified them as imposters. Ironically, some real patients did. Several actual psychiatric patients reportedly approached them and whispered suspicions. "You're not crazy. You're a journalist, aren't you?" The pseudo-patients were hospitalized from 7 to 52 days. When released, they were not declared sane. They were labeled schizophrenia in remission. The diagnosis followed them. The study sent shockwaves through the psychiatric community, raising questions about diagnostic reliability, labeling theory, and institutional power. In response, one hospital challenged Rosenhan to send more fake patients, claiming they could detect them. Over the next few weeks, staff identified dozens of suspected imposters. Rosenhan had sent none. The experiment exposed something deeply unsettling. Once a label is applied, everything you do can be interpreted through it. The question was no longer whether someone was sane. The question became, who decides, and can we ever truly be sure?